Hello, my name is Anya. OpenAI just released custom GPTs. I'm going to teach you how to configure one. So OpenAI recently introduced GPTs, custom versions of ChatGPT that are experts in a certain subject. Here we can see some examples, a creative writing coach or a tech advisor, and in this video I'm going to really quickly go over how to make one. To start, you're going to need a ChatGPT Plus account. If you don't currently have one, creating a GPT won't be an option afforded to you, so make sure you upgrade your account. From your Plus account, you can go down here to Explore, and we can see some examples of a GPT made by OpenAI. I recommend trying these out, seeing what you can do with them, and just having some fun. But right now, let's create one. So I'm going to click over here, and we're given a prompt. I'm going to choose a really niche topic so we can really see what this GPT can do. So I'm going to say, make a dietitian who can help me plan vegan meals. Then we see this GPT builder is updating the GPT with this role. We can see a vegan meal planning assistant is populated here, and they suggest a name. For the sake of time, I'm just going to say yes, but you could give it a different name that you would like. Now, the GPT builder is going to update the name, which we'll see over here shortly, and then also create a profile picture using DALL-E 3, ChatGPT's AI-generated images bot. I can choose to say that I like this, or I can upload my own over here, and we see that show up over here. I'm just going to say I like it and proceed. From this Create tab, the GPT Builder walks you through all of the steps, and it's really easy to follow along and build. If we want some more complicated stuff, we can go down here to Configure and try this out, which I'll get to in a little bit. So the next step is defining how the vegan meal mate will interact. Now, this GPT already has all of the knowledge of ChatGPT, but we really want it to be specialized in vegan meal planning. So I'm going to go over here and actually give it some outside information. Here I have a PDF with 1,000 vegan meal recipe ideas. So I actually want to download this PDF. It's a lot of pages, so right now I'm just going to say 1 to 5 to 200 seems like a good amount. And then I'm going to click download. Now I can go back to my GPT over here, and now I'm going to click configure. Let's look at this. So we have the name over here, which I could edit, the description, which is what we see here, and then some instructions. So based on what I've said over here in the Create tab to the GPT builder, ChatGPT has automatically generated a set of instructions for this custom GPT. We can refine this accordingly, but I think this is good for now. And then there are also some conversation starters, which we can see over here. I can delete one and we see that disappear. But this is what I'm really interested in. knowledge. So obviously our GPT has the entire knowledge base of ChatGPT, but we want a more specialized expertise in this particular subject. And by uploading files that the GPT then parses, it's able to give more specialized and quality advice and responses because they can continue to reference this. So I'm going to click upload files and upload the PDF that I downloaded. And we can see that show up here. Now that we've added it under knowledge, we want to tell the GPT builder that it's there. So here I'm telling them to look in the knowledge section for some meal ideas that I have uploaded. So it's now updating the GPT accordingly. So I get more prompts and I can continue on this path, but I think everything from now is straightforward. So I just want to test this out really quick to see how it works. So I'm going to say plan a high protein breakfast and we'll see how that turns out. For the first conversation, it takes a while, but then it tends to speed up. This is an amazing response. It's abiding by. And this is really powerful, and I hope you're as excited about it as I am, and you can figure out ways to apply it to your life or your businesses. I'm going to click save, and I'm going to choose only me, though I could make it public, which would appear in the GPT store that is coming soon, and I'm just going to click confirm. And that's that. Now I can continue to play around with this, fine tune it, but that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.